Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to record your laptop screen or your computer screen in your Windows. So I am showing you because of the whole world is using the concept called work from home and study from home due to all this COVID pandemic. So for that you have two options for the recording screen. The first one is the inbuilt screen recorder and the second one is taking the software from Google and download it and use it to record the screen. But mostly I prefer the second option because the reason is the first option is not that pretty much good. It doesn't provide the quality that you want, but the online screen recorder which I am going to tell you, it's very good. It provides the quality from 360 to 1080, so you can simply record anything you want with a clarity. Now for that, simply open the Chrome, search the website called atomisystems.com, and don't worry about the website, I will drop the link in the description. After opening the website, click on the products. Now click on the activepresenter. So this is our app, activepresenter 8. It's the latest version of screen recording. For downloading, click on download. After clicking on download, you will see the versions for Windows and for MacBooks. So I will prefer the activepresenter 8.2. I have to tell you guys, whenever you download the software from Google, any software, always prefer the latest version of that software. It always have a bug fixes. So for downloading, click on download. So as you see, our download has completed here. So let me show you how to install it. Just click on upward arrow, click on show in folder. It will take you where it has downloaded. So here is our download. So for installing, double click on that activepresenter name. So you can see our setup is started here. Just click on I accept the agreement, click on the next, and finally click on install. Now you can see the setup is preparing to install activepresenter on your computer. So it's very easy. It may take some seconds or maybe 1 minute to install. After completing the installation of software, you can record the screen of your laptop or computer. If you wish to record the full part of your laptop screen, you can do that. If you wish to record the particular part of your laptop, you can also do that. They have their options. And there is one more thing I have to say. It contains one option which is called without voice or with voice. So you can record the screen with voice or without voice. So I hope you will like this video. Just press the bell icon and subscribe it.